Morning, everyone out there in YouTube land. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, back again to encourage you to live a victorious life in Christ Jesus. I came back for two reasons. First of all, how are you doing? Good morning. I hope you're doing well. I had to pick up this camera because, just the other day I was showing you my indoor garden, the seeds that I started indoors, and I was telling you, showing you, giving you a tour and everything, and then I showed you my my lemon cucumbers, and I was showing you how it was robust and doing well, and then all of a sudden I was telling you that some of the leaves had came off, or it was looking dull, because when I met it one morning, it had actually it was drooping over. So I just assumed that, somebody knocked it over or something like that, because every morning someone has a chore to come and make sure that the lights are on and the heating pad is on. So, it could have been somebody that did it. So this morning I came in and I'm just looking around and making sure everything is okay, because I'm getting ready to go out to work. So I said, let me check and see how everybody is doing, before I go out. So, and I did notice some spots underneath the leaves, but I thought, okay, maybe, because I looked at them really well, and I thought, okay, well, maybe this is just nothing, because I couldn't see it on the other side. I couldn't see through it. Oh my goodness. It was spider mite that has been attacking this poor plant as well. Yes, I wish I would have showed you before I sprayed it down. I don't know if you could see the liquid on it. I'd already had some sunflower seed oil, dishwashing liquid, and I think I have in here tea tree, lemon, and maybe lavender, something else, something that I use to repel spiders in the home. Regular spiders and or whatever kind of bugs. So this is my own concoction that I make up to repel and or kill any insect that I would see in and outside my house, because I don't play with bugs, and I don't pay any mortgages or pay for anybody such as an insect to live in the same dwelling that I live in. I don't play that. So I already had something. So I sprayed it already. I'm probably just going to look at it when I come back, and then decide if I'm just going to just uproot it and get rid of it, because I don't want it to, because I think I saw some on here, so I don't want it to damage this as well, or my collards. So I sprayed the peppers as well, because I have plenty of lemon cukes, still to go. So I could always, this is one, could be expendable if, it would cause a problem of any sort. So when I come back, I'll look at everything, because I need my glasses and or a microscope to see, because sometimes I don't see tiny things that well. So, and then too, I wanted to make a correction, because when I kept on getting confused when I was doing my other video. I was talking about the moonflower, the morning glory, and my moringa, and I was getting them confused. So this is, of course, morning glory that has not, that the other one died. So this is a newer one. This is the moringa that died, and this is the new one that is coming up. I think there's another couple of seeds in there too, to start them off. So this was the moringa tree, dwarf tree, that died, was attacked as well, and this is the new one that is coming up. And of course, this is one of my nasturtium. And of course, the morning glory is not living well, so which is okay, because somewhere in one of these there's more of all of them. As you can see, here's the new nasturtium, which is really glorious. I mean, it's doing even, I mean, it came out even better and stronger than the other one. But anyway, I don't want to keep you guys. Good morning. Just want to show you that. And wow, I got so heated. I got inflamed when I saw that, and I ran and I got my trusty concoction here. Yeah, so I'll look at it when I get back home later on, by the grace of God. So anyway, I hope you all have a great morning. Love you all, and please live a victorious life in Christ Jesus. It's not worth it to live any other way but a victorious life in Christ Jesus. We all want to hear, well done. We don't want to hear, depart from me, you workers of iniquity. I knew you not. Because once we're dead, we're gone. So I want to encourage you to live for Christ and live a victorious life in Christ Jesus. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.